Assalamualaikum. Hello and welcome to the other soft predominant business mindset. My name is Ayman Ashraf and I am really excited to begin this journey with you. This channel is built for people who are ready to shift their mindset, break away from the average thinking and develop a sharp, successful business mentality. Whether you are an aspiring entrepreneur, a student hungry for growth, or someone stuck in 9 to 5 looking for real freedom, this is your place. On this channel, I will be sharing real world business strategies, powerful mindset lessons, and the kind of thinking that top entrepreneurs and leaders actually use. This is not just about the motivation. This is about the transformation of human being mentality. So if you're ready to grow and think like a business leader, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join the powerful community. Let's build the mindset that strives us. And tell me in the comments what's the one thing you think stops small people from starting in business. I would love to hear from you and reply personally. Thank you for being here and let's get started with us. Thanks.